Subscribe button, the bell icon for notification.
Hello guys, you welcome back to my channel. This is that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day, Chimekuva. I'm doing a gele tutorial. If you're new to this channel, just subscribe. So right now I just use one strand of ashoke, just one layer of ashoke. You know, this one is the one that have not been sewn. I'm using it to create my V for this gele. It's very easy to do. You just place it on the head and you cross the V over, just like you're watching it here. So you take it over to the back and you use your pins, your safety pins, to pin it at the back. So you just try and secure it with pin at the back. So this is the real main ashoke now. I made it will I say 70 30, yes. So I'll place it on her head and cross it over at the back. So now I've placed it, I'll just cross it over . So I'm arranging my pleats very well before crossing it over to the back. So the longer one will go under, while the shorter one will be at the top while she holds the shorter one. The longer one will be under. This is the under one I'll be working with right now. So right now I'm just trying to put some pleats. Before crossing it over to the other side. Yes, I've managed to put like 3 pleats, yes. So I've crossed it over to this side, and after doing that I try to secure it with my pin before I start tying. So now I've secured it to the pin. Now I can start putting more pleats and arranging my gele. So I'm just pushing pleats over to the front and bringing them over. Right. At this point now, I'll try and create something that looks like a fan. So some people call this a pinnacle gele. So this is the gele. You just try and arrange it till you are satisfied with what you are saying, and you go and arrange at the back and tie this up at the back. So at the back, when I will just go to the back, the hair tie is not enough, so I'll just try and twist it as much as I can. It's really very, very small, and I'll secure it with my pins. So I'm still arranging it, like I'm still arranging it just to be sure I like the way the thing is